Friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92 HVAC work by Samiullah Khan 92. Today our video is about the Kimo monitor. We will configure the alarm of temperature here. Our temperature is 18.4 degree Celsius here. So we will go to the configuration because this alarm is not working. Our code is 0101. This is our code, and now we will go to the alarms. The fourth one is about alarms. You can see this. We go to alarm. Alarm 1 is about pressure, alarm 2 is about relative humidity, and we'll set on number 3. Our mode is, you can see, first you can set the mode. Mode is here, monitoring. You keep this on monitoring. We'll monitoring, and now we'll configuration. We will go to the configuration channel, or we'll set our channel. Or before I upload 2 videos about pressure and about relative humidity, but this one is degree Celsius temperature. So we'll keep on Celsius temperature. Go to the threshold 1. Our temperature, higher temperature is, we want our higher set temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. We don't want more than 24 degrees Celsius, so we can set this 24 degrees Celsius. This is between -20 to 80, you can set it. And the threshold number 2 is, we can, minimum temperature we want here 21. 21 we want here, the minimum temperature. So I'll press OK. Delay time I want here, delay time of 30 seconds if the temperature go out of these ranges, and when it will come back, I want in 1 second come back this temperature. You can see this is activated now. Activate now. But and the alarm, I want to open the alarm. Alarm is open now. This, you can see the third one is on now. Or we configure here the third one on temperature. So let's see how much temperature we have here. Our temperature is our temperature is 18.5 degrees Celsius. Let's see it will make alarm or not. Why this is alarming? See, this is alarming now. Why this is alarming? Because the temperature is 18.4 degrees Celsius, and we set on 21 degrees Celsius, between 21 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. So I'll make setting back again, or I'll decrease the temperature from the thermostat to keep it 21. Then it will be stop alarming. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92.